Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Welcome back to today's English class. Now, in the previous class, we completed the recap for elements of a sentence, right? Today, we'll be going through the recap for sentences, questions and answers. Now, you know, in this chapter, we studied about 4 types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences, right? So, we know we have statements, questions, commands, and exclamations, right? So these are 4 kind of sentences. Now in this chapter, you will be studying about questions only, that we call them interrogative sentences. Yes? Now you know there are WH questions which starts with where, when, why, yes, and how. Now one rule we had studied that whenever we write a question, the auxiliary verb will come first and then the subject. What I said? The helping verb will come first and then the subject and then the verb. Clear? See over here. He has gone. He is the subject. Yes? Then you have a verb, auxiliary verb and the main verb. So over here, first helping verb will come and then the subject will come. Clear? Now, here in simple present tense we use do or does. They open the shop. Now if you don't have any auxiliary verb like this, has, will, is, will, have, been. If you don't have all this, then you have to use do or does when it is simple present and did when it is simple past. They opened the shop. This is simple present. The train arrived. This is past, right? So when did the train arrive? Clear? All of you? Now, if the subject, see if the subject is who, what or which, the verb comes after the subject as in the statements. Okay? Now, if the answer to the question is subject, then after the verb, the verb comes after the subject. So simple rule that you have to learn is that after the question word, there will be auxiliary verb and then the subject and then the main verb. Understood? Understood all of you? See, when you bought this cap, again wrong because here you don't have auxiliary verb, right? So you know over here now are like nothing is given over here. So what we use? Do, does or did. Now because it is bought, past tense, simple past, we will use did. So when did you buy this cap? Okay? Now you know when you use did or do or does, the tense will be simple present tense. Okay? Next you had the topic of question tags. Question tags are very short questions that you ask after the statement. He is your brother. Isn't he? So here what you are going to do, you have to use the helping verb which is given in the statement. The helping verb which is given in the statement. Okay? I'll explain it from here. See, she was late. Was is the helping verb. So wasn't she. Now you have to take care of one thing, that if you have positive over here, it will become negative. It means you will add not. But see, Mary can't type. So here can is there but cannot. So over here it will be positive. Can she? You didn't meet him. Didn't? It will be did you? Okay students, so this is how you form question tags. Easy to make them. Now as you form the question tags, you have short answers also. Okay? Yes, no, yes, I am. Yes, I am going to the beach. See, this is yes or no. This is short answer and this is full answer, isn't it? So what you are going to study over here is, as you studied question tags, you have to learn giving answers. Yes, pronoun and helping verb. Pronoun means the subject that you are talking about. No, pronoun, helping verb, and over here will be not. See, have you passed? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Okay? If you don't agree, then it will be not. If you agree, then it will be yes. Right? Is she coming with us? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Clear? With helping verb, you have to add not. If it is no. Easy to give answers? Yes. Is it hot today? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. This is the way you will give the answers. So in short, in this chapter you studied about making questions. Yes. Then you studied question tags and then making answers. Clear? So this was the short recap for the chapter 13, that is sentences, question and answers. Clear? Now there will be a PDF from worksheet, okay, of the exercise. So try doing it by yourself. That is as the practice work. Okay. So see you soon with the next chapter, voice.